Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake in GAG updated. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9-inch pan. Cream butter and sugar until fluffy, then add eggs one at a time. Alternate adding dry ingredients and milk, beginning and ending with dry ingredients. Mix just until combined to avoid a dense cake. Pour batter into the pan and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. In this video, I will show how to make cake in GAG updated. Start by creaming butter and sugar for about 3 minutes until pale and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition to maintain emulsion. Sift together flour and baking powder, then fold into the batter with alternating additions of milk. Stop mixing when streaks disappear to keep the cake light and tender, then transfer to the pan. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more fun recipes together. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, intelligent mapping, and hands-off crumb cleanup that lets you focus on baking. It zips around while you mix and never complains about flour on the floor. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make cake in GAG updated. Place the pan in the center of the oven for even heat circulation. Bake until the top is golden and a toothpick comes out clean, usually 25 to 35 minutes depending on size. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then invert onto a rack to cool completely. Frost only after the cake is fully cool for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.